Welcome guys to the new episode of Python programming series. In this episode we are going to discuss about taking input from user. In our previous episode we have seen how you can create a variable, and how you can print it like this. If we don't want to assign the value to a variable, we can take this value from user as well. For example, like this. So if I write input and I will give a string here, enter a number. Whatever value which user will enter, that will be assigned to this variable, and in the next line we will print that value. But in this IDE at Codzify.com you cannot take the input, so you will get this kind of error. So this is natural because we don't have the terminal here. This is just you can run the plain Python codes. And if you assign the value here, that will run, but if you want to take the input, then that will not run here. So we will go to Visual Studio Code. Here now if I run this code here, as you can see, we have been asked enter a number which we have given in the input string. Now if I enter 5, that will print the 5 here. So that's how you can take the input in Python. And now suppose there is one more variable, and if I type 10 minus a, because we have, and I will save this and we will print the value of b. Now because we are taking the input from the user, inside this variable a, so b will be assigned with value 10 minus whatever value we take from user. So let's see. If I enter 5 here, so here the user has entered 5, that will be assigned to this variable a. Now the output should be here 10 minus 5, right? But as you can see, we have this unsupported operand type for integer and string. So how you can manage that? Because if I print the type, now if I print, we have also seen how you can get the type. Now if I want the type of a here, and I will remove this, comment this line. So here you can see the class is string for this number. Whatever user is entering here, that is of type string, and we have this 10 here in the third line. This is integer. We need to convert the string variable here, which is a. Now if I run this, you can see the value is 5. If I run it again and give it some other number, then you can see the value printed is 2. This is called as type conversion. This is how you can convert the type of any variable. Okay guys, I hope you got the understanding how you can take the input from user. Input value will be very useful when we will build some AI agents in future. So there you need to get the input from users. At that time you will be able to use this input to get the input from user and also to convert it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today as well. In the next episode we will focus on strings part, strings in Python. So that's what will be the topic of our next episode. Guys, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.